Welcome back, GlamFam. It's your girl Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with another video. I want to apologize really quickly. I have been absent all week, but you know, life happens. But today I am bringing you 5 products that I am on the fence about. 3 of which are high-end and 2 are drugstore type of products that just so happen to not be working out for me. So if you guys want to know what those 5 products are, just keep on watching. Okay, so before we dive into the products, I want to go ahead and announce the winner of this week's giveaway, and that is Miss KAYLA B. So on my top 10 products under $20 that I posted last week, she said that I'll be shocked if I win. Well, ma'am, you are the winner. So really quickly, let's talk about what she won. So first and foremost, I want to mention that she's winning this Sephora gift bag, and I have it filled with a lot of Sephora goodies. First of which being the Sephora Rouge. This is actually a makeup brush. And it's really cute, and she's gonna win a few face masks. This is a charcoal sheet mask. She's also gonna win one of the Glow Recipe watermelon jelly masks. She's also going to be winning a Benefit Brow Goof Proof pencil in the shade number 4. I also have a few samples of perfumes for her in here. Quite a few more things in this bag. This is a glitter eyeshadow by Stila. All of these have been unopened, by the way. This is also Purity Make Simple Sample Face Wash, a fresh travel size face wash. This is like a 1 ounce version. This is a Stila liquid lipstick. This is some Sunday Riley travel size things. Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is a CoverFX mattifying primer, Bobbi Brown primer. Also, this is a red Kat Von D lipstick, perfect for holiday season. I'll do my best to get this for you before New Year, that way you can wear it on New Year's Day. This is a Caudalie Vino Perfect serum. Love that serum, by the way. And this is a Pharmacy, the Melt Off cleanser, the green cleanser. Love that stuff. And there's a few other things in here. And also, this is a Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. So those are a majority of what you will be receiving in this giveaway this week. I hope that you are excited. I am very excited to be able to gift a few things to a few people that love watching my channel. Again, all of these things are purchased with my own money. Last but not least, what she will also be winning is a Warrior palette by Julius Place, and this is the original Warrior palette. And this is the original Warrior palette. I am wearing it on my eyes. I will be posting a holiday tutorial showing you how I came up with this look. And this is my very own Warrior palette. I did pick these up just a few weeks ago, and this is what it looks like, just in case you have not seen it or don't remember. I used this palette and this palette alone to create what I have on my eyes today. So yeah, you will win everything that I just mentioned, including the Julius Place palette. Congratulations, KAYLA B. Actually look in the description bar and email me your contact information so that I can mail you your prize. So I'm sure that you guys are thinking, so I wonder what will be in next week's giveaway. So next week is the last and final week. It will be the biggest gift so far on my channel as far as value and number of items, and you guys just have to make sure that you comment on as many videos that I post in the coming week on my channel for your chance to win. And I actually will unveil what that winner will be receiving at some point this weekend, so you guys stay tuned. Okay, so a few of these items you guys might be shocked about, but I just want to keep it all the way real and let you guys know what I'm really thinking about these products. Most of them I have hauled here recently through a VIB sale or just a random new product that I've been wearing and trying out. So first thing first, yes ma'am, the Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the darkest shade. There's only 3 shades. This is the shade number 3. So let me just preface what I'm about to say by saying that this is not a bad powder. However, it's not good for what I wanted to use it for. So what I do think that this powder is amazing for is setting the under eye, especially if you have dry under eyes, or setting the face in fall and winter if you have combination dry or normal skin. But for what I wanted to use it for, it doesn't really work out for me. When I hauled this product on my channel, I did mention that the packaging was a little bit cheap for it being a $45 product, but I can actually overlook that for a product that's good for what my intentions are to use the product for. So I wanted to use this powder to finish the face, kind of like I use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and my Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder, and kind of like the Hourglass finishing powder. So I wanted to finish my face with this powder, and just number one, the color of the powder, and I don't know, this is not a good finishing powder. This is a good setting powder for either under the eye or the face. I do not really like pressed powders for setting my face. I love the loose powders that I already have in my collection for setting my face. I wanted this powder for finishing the face, but this is not good for that purpose for my skin tone. It does leave me looking casket ready whenever I finish my face with this powder. So for that reason, it's not working out for me for that intended use. I prefer to set everything on my face with a loose powder. That's not going to change. So with that said, this powder does not work for me. Okay, so the next thing is a product that I could not wait to try out, and I can't even remember if I mentioned it in one of my last hauls or not. I probably didn't, because I went back to Sephora several times during the VIB sale. But anyhow, these are the Lily lashes for Sephora, and these are the Mykonos. So you guys already know that I was pretty hesitant to buy a pair of $30 lashes, simply because I feel like I could use that money a little bit somewhere better in my makeup routine, towards a powder or foundation or something like that. I really like drugstore lashes, like the Allure lashes, the Ardell lashes, and a few other brands. But the lashes are really good, high quality lashes, don't get me wrong. The reason why these are not working out for me is because they are huge on my eye. They are really big on the eye, I guess for my eye shape. I guess my lid, I don't have enough lid to support these lashes. I feel like whenever I'm wearing these lashes, it's basically taking over the whole look. So if you have a smaller lid space, I don't really, you know, consider myself as having a smaller eye, but for some reason for me, this really didn't complement my eye shadow looks. It really just kind of took over everything. And so for that reason, $30 for these lashes was a complete no ma'am for me. The eyelashes that I have on right now are from Allure, and these are the Marquise lashes, and they were like $10.99. So these are lashes that complement my eye shape and also the eyeshadow look. Eyelashes should not take over your look, it should complement it, and so these take over the look, and for that reason it just didn't work out for me. So yeah. Okay, so one thing that I picked up from the drugstore, you guys, I'm trying to use a little bit more drugstore bath, body, hair, and makeup things, and I picked up this one about a month or two ago, and this is the Pantene Gold Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. This stuff right here sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and stick to my As I Am co-wash that I absolutely love. I don't think that this, I can't remember exactly how much it cost, but it wasn't more than like $8, so I'm not out too much money, but it's still my $8 and I don't have the receipt. So this is a sulfate free cleanser, lather free, paraben free, sulfate free. I love all of those qualities. That's what made me pick it up. Plus it has a pump, plus it was cheap. So this really just made me feel like I put lotion in my hair, and even after I rinsed it out, I kind of felt like it was a film on my hair. I really don't have a lot to say about it, but I'm just going to stick to the things that I normally use. As I Am is my co-wash of choice. It's just that I don't like the packaging of the As I Am. It's in a tub instead of a pump bottle. So yeah, this didn't work out for me, and it was a complete waste of money because it's literally still full and I will never use it. The fourth product is another one that I picked up because I was trying to find some more affordable facial cleansers. So if you guys have some affordable facial cleanser recommendations, please comment down below. This is one that I picked up from Ulta, and this is the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleansers. So despite having oily skin, I do believe that you should be very gentle on the skin while cleansing. I use a double cleansing method. So I go in with the oil or a balm to take off my makeup and then wash my face. So you really don't need a harsh cleanser that strips your skin down. So when it said hydrating and gentle, and then on the ingredients, it was fragrance free. It had ceramides and niacinamide. I have mentioned what niacinamide can do several times on my channel. It is basically a multi-purpose miracle product or ingredient, and I seen that, I picked it up immediately. It was at Ulta for $14.99 for a 13.5 ounce cleanser. That is amazing. It had a pump, so I was like, yes, a cleanser of my dreams for $14.99. I'm all over it. However, this cleanser, the texture of this cleanser, my face just does not feel clean. I have other gel type, balmy-ish type cleansers, and it doesn't really even compare to any of those. My face just doesn't feel clean. Number one, I don't like the texture. It's kind of like a deep conditioner on your face. It's just gross. I don't know. Just kind of like the Pantene product with my hair, just kind of feel like it leaves a film on the hair. So a film on my face, and I gotta feel like I gotta use another cleanser to take off the film that one put on it, and I'm just not here for it at all. So yeah, only $14.99, not bad for a cleanser of that size, but I just don't like it. It doesn't do it for me at all. I'll be looking for y'all's recommendations down in the comment section. Okay, so last but not least, I think that you guys are going to be super shocked about this one. This one didn't work out for me for a couple of different reasons, and I actually need y'all's help with a final decision. Okay, it's too late for me to get my money back or anything like that, but I just want to still come and voice my opinion about this product, and that is the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. I'm probably going to get a lot of slack for this one, but you know, this is a $129 eyeshadow palette, and you guys are not going to believe this. I actually really love many things about this eyeshadow palette, but what I don't love is the fact that there was a malfunction with this palette, and I don't appreciate it at all. So I kind of have to be careful how I show this to you guys because a few of the pans may fall out. So I hope that you guys can see it, but the blue shade in the palette over here is cracked. It has fallen out multiple times, and so did this color down here. Fell out of the palette. I managed to get this one in pretty clean, but this blue color down here, it fell out, so that's kind of why you see it all over the place here. There are several shades in this palette that I absolutely love. This shade I love, this shade I love, these two brown shades I love, and these two golds here I love. So I could really say that I love at least half of the eyeshadows in here. What I don't love is that this shade, and this shade really does not show up on my skin tone, in addition to the malfunction with these two eyeshadows falling out of the palette completely, damaging the rug in my room, and just being a total damper on me enjoying this $130 product. So you guys let me know what you think. Do you think that it's acceptable to buy an eyeshadow palette that, number one, you cannot wear all of the shades because they do not suit your skin tone, and number two, where you have malfunctions where the eyeshadows just fall out of the pans. So yeah, you guys weigh in down below, and I'm super disappointed by this. So I guess what I would want to know is, if you were in the same predicament to me and you could get your money back, would you take it back and just, you know, go for a different type of product, or would you take it back and get a new one? So yeah, that is pretty much going to wrap up the 5 products that just did not work out for me. You guys let me know if you've tried any of the products that I mentioned here today. Also, if you have any recommendations to substitute any of the products that I mentioned here today, I would love to hear it. Also, you guys know that the giveaway is going to be going on all month long. There's only a few more days left in the year. The very last weekend of this year, it's going to be the finale. It's going to be the biggest prize. It's going to be the most valuable prize. You guys comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, of course, for your chance to win. That is all I have for you today, dolls. I will see you next time. Bye, YouTube.